Did you know that buying a home in Seattle now requires a household income of over $220,000? That's not a typo. Today, we're breaking down how much money you actually need to buy a house in Seattle in 2026, what the monthly payments look like, and whether average buyers still have a chance in this market. Hi, everyone. I'm Greg Town, a real estate agent here in the Seattle area, and I help buyers understand how to navigate this competitive housing market. Seattle has become one of the most expensive housing markets in the United States, but understanding the numbers can help you make smarter decisions when buying a home. Let's look at the real costs. Right now, many experts estimate that buyers need more than $220,000 in household income to afford the typical Seattle home. Why so high? The median home price in the Seattle area is currently around $850,000, and mortgage rates have increased over the last few years because lenders usually recommend that your housing costs stay under 30% of your income. That means a very high income is required to qualify comfortably. Let's look at a real example. If someone buys an $850,000 home with a 20% down payment, their loan would be about $680,000. With current mortgage rates around 6.5%, that creates a monthly payment of roughly $4,300 for principal and interest, $700 for property taxes, about $150 for insurance. That means many buyers are paying around $5,000 per month for housing. And that's why income requirements have increased so much. This is the question I hear the most. The average household income in Seattle is much lower than $220,000, which makes affordability challenging. But here's the important thing. People are still buying homes here every day. Many buyers are doing it by combining dual incomes, purchasing smaller starter homes, looking at condos or townhomes, buying in nearby suburbs like Renton, Kent, Tacoma, or Everett. There are still opportunities if you approach the market strategically. If you're thinking about buying a home in Seattle, here are a few smart strategies. First, explore homes outside the city center where prices are lower. Second, consider starting with a condo or townhome instead of a single family home. Third, talk with a lender early to understand your budget and loan options. And finally, work with a local real estate agent who understands the Seattle market. Seattle is definitely one of the most expensive housing markets in the country, but that doesn't mean home ownership is impossible. Understanding the real numbers and having the right strategy can make a huge difference. If you're thinking about buying a home in Seattle and want to know what's possible based on your income and budget, feel free to reach out. And if you found this video helpful, make sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and share it with someone thinking about buying a home in Seattle.